I was supposed to be killed through poisoning.
The Directorate of Criminal Investigations, DCI, has summoned Kenya's impeached Deputy President, Rigathi Gachagua, to record a formal statement regarding his recent claims of assassination attempts. This follows a public address by Gachagua during a press conference on October 20th, 2024, where he alleged multiple attempts on his life. In his statement, Gachagua recounted an incident on August 30th in Kisumu where undercover security agents allegedly entered his hotel room, bugged it, and attempted to poison his food. We detected it and were able to escape the scheme. I was supposed to be killed by food poisoning, Gachagua claimed. He further alleged another assassination attempt on September 3rd in Nyeri, involving a team from the National Intelligence Service (NIS), who reportedly tried to poison food meant for him and members of the Kikuyu Council of Elders. These serious allegations prompted the DCI to take immediate action. In a letter signed by J.K. Marat, on behalf of the Director of Criminal Investigations, Gachagua has been invited to appear at the DCI headquarters on October 22, 2024. The DCI emphasized the gravity of Gachagua's claims, noting that they cannot be taken lightly, especially given his high-profile status. The DCI assured Gachagua that the matter would be handled with the utmost seriousness, and his cooperation is essential to facilitate a thorough investigation. His formal statement is regarded as a critical part of the investigation into the alleged assassination attempts. Gachagua's appearance at the DCI headquarters, located at the Mazingira complex on Kiambu Road, is expected to provide further clarity on the allegations and help law enforcement determine the next steps in the investigation.
I want to tell the people of Kenya that I don't feel safe. And for the first time, let me say that on 30th of August in Kisumu, undercover security agents entered my room in Kisumu and bagged it, and one of them tried to poison my food. We detected it and we were able to escape the scheme. I was supposed to be killed through poisoning. On 3rd of September in Nyeri, another team from the National Intelligence Service came to Nyeri and tried to poison food that was meant for me and Kikuyu Council of Elders. I did report this matter to the National Intelligence Service, and the officers who were assigned to my office, I asked them to leave because I felt I was not safe. After the 2 attempts to assassinate me through food poisoning failed, it is when this impeachment motion was hatched. When my security was withdrawn here, officers from the National Intelligence Service have been hovering in every room, in every compound here, to an extent that I had to call my wife and my children to come and stay in my room, just in case they get entry to my room or compromise the people who are treating me. So, regarding Gachagua and his family, feel very exposed because these people have tried to kill us before. They have now tried to get us out of office. So I asked President William Ruto, my brother, I helped you to be president. Leave me alone. Leave my children alone. Do whatever you want, but let me live. Let me look after my children.